Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create company profile in PowerPoint Mobile. So first thing first, open your PowerPoint apps on your phone. And then here create a new file. Just tap on the plus icon at the top, and then I'm going to choose some template from the Microsoft PowerPoint. Maybe I'm going to choose this, and then just click on this icon, company profile. You can just type in what you want as the title, and then I'm going to add new slide. Just click plus, and then here in this part I'm going to add some pictures. Click on insert and then choose pictures, and I'm going to choose this as this for example are my company logo. So just place it in here, adjust the position. Okay, and in here I'm going to add text box here to add some to add some anjir. Okay, so here you can add your company brief summary, or the vision and then mission. You can add company timeline or your company history, organization chart. And milestone that has been achieved by your company, and also your service. So you can divide it each of this with by new slide. So for example, at the second page you can add your company summary, and then at the next page you can add the vision and mission, and then the next slide you can add the company timeline. Okay, so just like that, you can add your company information, and you can also you can just click check when you finish and your company profile has been created. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can create your company profile in the Microsoft PowerPoint. Pretty easy, right? If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.